Hey guys, so we just got back from Costco and we got like a decent amount, so I thought I'd share what we got.
A mini haul.
A mini haul. But first of all, Bradley got this hat.
It's my sun hat for summer, even though summer's almost over.
Well, you're 30 now, that's for sure.
You know, if I'm out camping, if I'm golfing by the pool.
You could have gotten a much more fashionable hat, but you do look cute.
Oh,
and Ludy likes it.
you. Let's see Ludo in it. Can you sit? Sit. Come here. Sit. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared of the hat. Me too. Okay, but anyway, most of it is produce, but we did get, you know, some staples. We got some meats and such. So we got strawberries. I mentioned in our last Trader Joe's haul we were holding off on some produce because we knew we wanted it at Costco. Costco strawberries are my favorite. So we got some strawberries, some raspberries, which looked really, really good. So I'm excited about that. We are now newly obsessed with Costco's spring mix. This giant tub is only $3. We're obsessed with this. We prefer it over our Champs-Élysées, even from Trader Joe's. We get the Josie's Organic Spring Mix. It's delicious. I did get this shirt, which I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I guess I could show you the tag. But it just has like stars all over it. It's super soft. I thought it would be super cute for just like a at-home, like we're going into the fall situation. It just feels really, really good. Something I'm really excited about. I never have any washcloths. I have like one purple one from Target and it's got like holes in it. And I never even like think to buy them, but we walked through the towel section and I found these Mirabella 4-piece. Oh, it's 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths. That's okay though. But it was still a great price. All 4 of these were only $7. So I loved the navy color and I love how soft it feels. So I'm gonna get those washed and use those. We got some avocados, which is not typically something we'd get at Costco, but we forgot the last time we were at a store. And we have discovered if you store them in the fridge, they like last a while. You take them out a couple of days before you want to use them. Can I help you? You take them out a couple of days before you want to use them, they ripe up, so that's been pretty cool. So it only has 6, so we'll just have to like be sure to use those. Mushrooms, of course, we love the big thing of mushrooms from Costco. We use these all the time. And then I'm having an obsession with their Grape Tomatoes, this brand specifically. I don't know if it's summer or Costco where they get it, but these are so freaking good. We also got these grapes, which like I've been seeing all about these. These are supposed to be like twin to cotton candy grapes. They taste like candy, but they're purple. Go ahead, try one, babe. And
candy snaps.
Still got his hat on. And then under that we have fresh cut mango. I mentioned in my Trader Joe's haul that I am like living for mango right now. First impression. They taste like candy?
No.
No?
They're good, but...
Oh, those are very good.
They're sweet.
But anyway, I ate through half of my Trader Joe's mango in like a day, so I needed more. We got more Rouse sauce, which we didn't technically need, but I'm like, sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. When they do, I always tell myself, just get it, because you get 2 of these pretty much for the size of one small one, so, and it's our favorite sauce ever, so got that. We restocked our olive oil. I actually really like this olive oil. We used to buy it from Trader Joe's. Honey, he's afraid of the hat.
Well, that is like...
Come look at him. Buddy, it's just a hat. It's just a hat, okay? You don't have to be scared. Are you okay? Okay. You're okay. It's just a hat. It can't get you. Not scared of anything but the vacuum and the hat. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. We used to buy olive oil from Trader Joe's, but then we, for some reason, got this one time, and this tastes better. It's like a better quality olive oil, and I really like it. So we got that. They had this, which like I liked Pressed Juicery. I've only been to it a couple of times, but like I've never seen this at Costco, so I wanted to try it. It's Super Citrus Plus. It has apple, pineapple, mint, lemon, and probiotic cultures. So I'm very excited to try that. We got some meats. We got the, just like the Kirkland brand, I think, chicken breast. And then we got some tri-tip. Bradley's family always makes this tri-tip and we've been craving it. We never buy it. But we got it. We're actually gonna make that tonight. If I remember, I'll vlog it for our next vlog. And then I was so excited about this. I've wanted Costco to have hint water forever and they finally do. I don't know if this will be at all Costco's, but this one has my favorite in there, which is the blackberry. That's my all-time favorite. I don't think I've tried watermelon, and I'm not sure about the pineapple, but I'm excited to try them. I love hint waters. They're expensive. They're usually like $1.50 each, but this entire thing was $9 and you get 15 bottles. So it was a good deal if you like hint water. And a tip for prolonging them is you drink half, you fill the rest up with water, you shake it. It's pretty much the same thing. So yeah, that's our little Costco haul, just that I'd share since you guys liked the last one. Oh, and we got trash bags. We bought this over a year ago. It lasted us such a long time, and we actually really liked them. So we stocked back up on this. And how much was this box? Yeah, like it's one of the greatest deals at Costco, which I watched in like somebody else's best deals at Costco vlog, and then I was like, oh yeah, let's get that. So we got that. But okay, that is officially everything we got. Thank you for watching. If you want more grocery hauls, I will link them up in the corner. I've been doing a ton lately. Ludo is afraid, but he still says goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and we will see you very soon. Okay, bye.